Hey, what's up everyone? JT here. Welcome to Pineapple Money, where I talk about stock market news and investing for the long-term portfolio. So, I just wanted to make a quick update video on NEO stock today because as I'm feeling it is November 3rd, the day of the United States elections, and during market hours where NEO is soaring another 5.25% at their all-time highs of $35 per share, which is honestly super exciting and looks like also more news did come out for NEO today, but I'll discuss that later. Before I talk about that news, looking at the broader market in general, as you can see, right there, the market futures are up. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and Dow are all up around 2% today. And as you can kind of tell, this is kind of a big movement for all three big indexes. And of course, I would say that many other stocks like NEO are following the broader market today. But seeing how these indexes are up, and of course, the US elections are coming up this evening, this is like a pre-earnings movement, in my opinion, on a much bigger scale. So after the day, I'm sure we're going to see some sort of big movement based on who wins. But before I do get into the juicy news of NEO's current news that they came out today, I do want to mention that if you do find anything interesting in this video, please don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe for more content. And also let me know down in the comments where do you see NEO going in the future. And the news that did come out today is that NEO's price target has been upped to $34 by Deutsche Bank. And analyst from Deutsche Bank has given a higher price target for NEO to $34 from $8, which is what NEO is actually currently trading. NEO is actually currently trading around $34.35 right now, as you saw previously. The analyst cites that he believes that this Chinese electric car maker will remain robust in its order book, and the analyst also reiterates that he has a buy rating for NEO. The analyst also points out that currently he does see some competition from Tesla's Model Y since it is a direct competitor to NEO's E6 as well as ES6, but also still remains optimistic and see NEO's to offer a material share in its premium segment, and also consumers will begin to understand the value and proposition and quality from NEO's product and services. So after reading all of this, I would like to say that it is a positive sign to see that more analysts are putting higher price targets for NEO, and kind of just reiterates my own research that I did before actually putting any money into this stock. Now, this is also just coming off the news from NEO yesterday that they have released their delivery numbers. NEO released extraordinary delivery numbers yesterday, breaking that 5,000 mark on vehicle production in 1 month, which is a 100% year-over-year growth for them. And in 2020 alone so far, they have delivered 31,430 vehicles, which is a 111% year-over-year growth as well. And honestly, I think this is all great positive news, and I had no doubt that currently NEO is being undervalued for where the company stands, especially where they are gearing towards an exponential growth for the future. In my opinion, I do think that NEO, the company, will be able to reach a conservative price target of $45 by the end of the year. And at this rate, if they do continue at the same rate they are going, and of course, if nothing does change drastically in the broader market. And even looking to 2021, NEO does have plans to create its own factory in Hefei, China. And on top of that, their current partnered factory as well as the R&D there, they are planning to build more factories. And this is how NEO is planning to scale up quickly and exponentially. And the CEO, William Li, has also reiterated that he does plan to expand NEO to the European market by the second half of 2021. But he hasn't specifically mentioned which countries he's targeting specifically. Looking at this company holistically, I think NEO has potential for a lot of growth, and I would say that many investors think so as well. This is also given from NEO's fast-moving share price. Given at the rate they are growing, I think NEO can also become profitable in the future as looking at next year. If they do continue this rate of growth, possibly by next year they can also become profitable, because right now they are burning a lot of cash. And given all these positive news that are coming out right now for NEO, I am also telling myself to be cautiously optimistic because the stock market can do unpredictable things. Anyways, the only upcoming news for NEO is that NEO has announced their earnings date, which is November 17th, 2020, which is set to be announced 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And when that day comes, I'm sure we'll get some more context to see where NEO is actually headed towards. Alright, so this kind of wraps up my video on NEO and especially the quick update today. So don't forget to hit the like button down below And also let me know down in the comments where you see NIO in the future. The US elections are tonight, which will be a big catalyst for the stock market either way, and I'm going to be watching. Thank you for watching. Peace.